Welcome back to the we stalled for more time show, where we have more time than the last time we played.
Team. Now, let's see about blasting. All controls have been locked
Oh
down.
no, go figure.
Except those on the upper bridge. Correct.
Okay.
We'll have to reach the top deck and stop the Omega base from there. Sounds like a plan.
Alright, good thing that we got more time. I'm gonna change this team up. I'm not digging you, Moon Knight. Sorry, dude. We're gonna get... Oh, dear. How about... I don't like Cyclops, but he could be cool. I think I'm kind of missing Iceman. How about Storm? She's cool.
Storm.
A little girl power on this team. Let's get rid of Iron Man. I'm tired of him. I already got a strong guy who flies and I got a strong lady who flies. I don't need him. Oh, it's so hard to choose. I'll go with Iceman.
Iceman.
Right.
Now for some excitement.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta choose the extract option. Okay. Now we go party hard. This way. Oh no. Okay. Some enemies require certain things. Got it. You attack them from behind. Oh, you mean like the shield guys. But what if you just grab their shield? Then you don't have to. Get him. Boom. Boom. Hey, I don't like what this super soldier's doing. I don't like anyone who's green. I thought Dum Dum Dugan was gonna stay in that one room. Why is he... Oh man. Venom, he's gonna be so strong. I thought he was staying behind. Let's get some storm action. Oh no! I think I have a guy. I don't see a charge. Oh yeah, you are. Oh yeah, you are. Okay. What do we got? This. Oh, what? Yeah, now there's a tornado. Oh, lightning storm.
Maybe next time you try running away.
I have no idea what's going on. Give me this. Give me your shield. Alright, get him. Alright. We did good, everybody. Can I break this? No. Alright, practice this. Oh, it's with the right stick? I'm not sure. It doesn't say. Okay. Oh, there's a guy here. Everyone, get him. Or just me. Alright. That's...
Okay.
Yeah. She's too strong. Oh
The only
yeah.
route left is along the exterior of the Omega.
Okay. We have to travel outside the exterior of the Omega. Blah, blah, blah. Wow. Very nice.
If you say so.
I do say so, thank you. Alright, you're so strong, Venom. You're so muscly. There we go. Can I go in here? Just want to go through the window. No? Alright. Helicopter's coming this way. Venom, I think, is kind of naive. Great. Yep, nope, maybe he did. He doesn't seem to like you very much. Probably didn't invite you to his birthday party, that's for sure. Oh, get away from that part. Get that little circle there. That's the evil circle. Ooh, Venom's so, like... He's just as sassy as Spider-Man. Give me your shield. I want it. This is mine now. Damn! Aw. Oh yeah, I wanted to try... Oh, okay, well.
Very nice.
Guess I'll try it next time. Oh, Dragon Ball Z. No, boxes! Boxes! Get them! Yeah! Boxes make coins! Whoop! Whoop!
Let's move out.
Whoop! What do you do? Oh! Oh! That was pretty tight!
Yes.
What does Storm do? Storm, grab a guy. Oops.
Maybe next
Yes.
time you should try running away.
I do say so. I all the time say so. And then you make me say, yeah, I do say so. It's just so infuriating, Venom. You just can't just do something. Boom. That was a feel. Oh, he didn't even stand a chance, poor guy. Not even a single iota of a chance. I love breaking boxes and barrels. It's my favorite thing to do. Whoa! Let's try that again. Nope. Can I go in here? I want to go in the door. Give me that. Now give me you. Boom. Oh, dude, these guys are getting demolished. Whoa. I don't know why these guys from AOL Instant Messenger are so mad. Oh, wrong way. Try that way. Pick them off right out of the midair. Look, I can walk over this big hole in the ship. There's a big hole in the ship. I'm just walking over it. Is there a thing? There we go. Yeah, you guys. Maybe you should stick with me, Venom. Maybe good things would happen to you. Oh, my dream would be to play this with 4 of my buddies. It's such a good game. So much fun. But all my buddies are so far away. This would be like a good podcast crew game. But, oh well. And I'm pretty sure there are no servers up for this. Even, like, I went to the Xbox Live part of this game, to see if, like, it would work. And it was like, yeah, dude, sure, create a lobby, whatever. It didn't prevent me from doing so. And then I checked to see if there were any, and there were none. Which makes sense, because this game's very old. But it made me wonder if, like, I could actually make a game, create a game for people to join. Or if, it just says that you can, and then later it's like, oh yeah, no one can join this. You're stupid. Dude, they're trying to get this guy through the door? Oh man. Dude, just let him out, you guys. Guys! I'm just gonna keep going. They'll follow me eventually. Hopefully. Oh yeah, Baraka Claws. Alright, now come. Please, guys, come over here. Here they come. Oh, I love the bear hug. What a great move. Boom! And then I love shooting my arm at people. That's also a good move. More people should do that. Just shoot their arm and just walk over holes. Like it's no big deal. Because apparently it's not. I just did it again. I like how there's like destruction to be had, but it just doesn't matter in the game at all.
Yes. Got it.
Miss Marvel needs some stuff. Needs some health. Alright, let's explode some things and make sure you get them. No, Miss Marvel, no. That's Miss Marvel. There we go. And go! Uh-oh, we missed. Here we go. Combo time. Wombo combo. I don't know. Uh-oh. No! Don't do that. It just doesn't shoot very far. Did she get another move yet? Maybe I have to upgrade her. There we go. That's some health. Here we go. Open the door. Let's go to the project labs. I don't know. I think next time we'll be in the project labs.